Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll show how to make amazing and cool 3D desktop icon just 2 minutes. Look like this. And also delete this icon name. Before starting the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe on my YouTube channel and also press the bell icon to get the notification of the new video. So let's start the video. First you can download this image. I will upload this image link in video description. When you download this image, then select the desktop background, then go to the view and uncheck this both options, auto arrangement icon and align icon to grid. Then drag this icon. If you want to delete this icon name, then go to the search bar and search character map. Then select the blank area, select this and copy. Then go to the rename and delete this add-on list and copy this, select and enter. There is icon name will be deleted. If you want to add gadget, you can download this gadget in Google. So thank you for watching this video.